In this video, we are going to show you how to convert an Emergent AI site into a WordPress theme. Now, I'm going to show you this project that we've created. This is a simple website for accessories made from beads, right? So this is pretty much what it's going to be looking like. Now, how do we convert this into WordPress themes or a WordPress theme? Quite simple. So we're going to go up until we see the very tippy top of this prompt after we created this website. There you go. So at the end, I said, if possible, please convert this project theme into a very simple WordPress theme. And it says, I'll convert this into a simple WordPress theme for you. Here's a simple bare bones WordPress theme. So it gave us the code that we just need to copy. And the good thing about Emergent, it's not just going to give you what you needed. It's actually going to go a step further. Here on the very end, it even gives you installation instructions. So you're not going to be out in the dark, like, oh, how do I use this, right? It's going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to actually use what the code that it's done for a WordPress theme to be integrated into your WordPress website, right? Another thing is it's going to give you notes, so no plugins, etc., right? So yeah, that is how you do it using Emergent. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.